While it's time to check your own learning, match the word with its meaning. Pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer together. The first one is 从. It means follow, see two people together. The second one is 人. It means people. The third one is 众. It means crowd. If you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's go to the next test. Well, write the simplified Chinese according to the article bone script and the picture. Pause here while you are doing it. You can write it on your thigh or anywhere you like. If you are done, let's check the answer together. The first one is 人. The second one is 从. The third one is 众. It means crowd. Well, how many do you get right? Leave it in the comment below. I hope this lesson was helpful. There are more lessons coming in this series. I'll upload the video resources weekly. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。